Do you ever feel like you're posting on Instagram, but you're not really sure if it's working? Is it reaching the right audience? Are you getting results? Are people engaging with your content? This is where analytics come in. Think of them as your Instagram report card. They tell you exactly what's resonating with your audience, what's working, and what's not. Analytics may sound intimidating, but they're just a way to understand your audience. They help you understand what kind of content your audience likes, doesn't like, what's working, or what's falling flat. Not only that, but you can also start to figure out what's the best time for you to be posting, what times your audience is active. Ultimately, analytics are going to help you understand who your audience is as a whole. And better yet, they help you inform your content strategy to make sure that it's working for you and for the people that you want to target. You'll get more followers, more engagement, and ultimately tap in better to the audience that you're looking to target. By studying analytics effectively, you'll be able to reach your target audience and have success on the platform of your choice. You'll be able to reach your content goals as a whole, whether that's growth, engagement, or really nurturing a community, or even just sharing your passion with the world. Welcome to the analytics module. Today, we're going to be diving into Instagram when it comes to analytics. However, if there's another platform that you'd really like us to talk about, please let us know. The important thing for you to know and to think about while you're watching this module is that poorly performing content doesn't have to be a bad thing. At the end of the day, it's a guiding point to help you know what's working, what's not, and to really tap into what your audience is looking for. Every single post, even if it doesn't perform well, gives you valuable information when it comes to informing your content strategy. It's all about learning and growing. For example, let's say you have a post that just didn't perform as well as you had hoped. What can we learn from that when we dig into the analytics and insights? Is it the time of day that you posted? Was it a certain content pillar? What type of content was it? How long was it? There's a lot of valuable information that we can get when it comes to analyzing our posts and post-performance analytics. The truth of a poorly performing post can actually be beneficial. I know. Stay with me. Low-performing posts are extremely beneficial in helping us tell a story through your content. They give us insights into what's working and what's not with an audience. It's really that simple. Data points, like analytics, are our guide. They're not a pass or fail. They just help us grow and perform better as we go. The first step is being able to actually find your analytics in the first place. Open up the Instagram app and go to your profile. It's important to note here that in order to view a full picture of your analytics on Instagram or any of the Meta apps, you need to ensure that your account is set up as a business or creator account. If you haven't done that yet, pause here and head to your settings on Instagram. Look for Switch Account Type and follow the instructions. Right below your bio, you should see a button that says Professional Dashboard. Tap that and you're all set. At first, it might look like there's a lot going on, and there is, but don't worry. Let's focus on the key things that you need to know as a beginner. We'll cover audience, content, and the basics of activity. These are the areas that are going to give you the most benefit when you're first starting out with analytics or just starting from scratch. Let's start by getting to know your audience. One important area to look at is follower growth. That's right, not follower count, follower growth. This shows you how many people are following you over time. It's a good indicator of whether your overall strategy is working, but it's not the only thing that matters. How many new people are following you each month? Where are they finding you? When? Instagram shows you the days and times that your followers are most active. Why is this important? Because if you post when no one's around, no one's going to see it. You want to post when your audience is scrolling and ready to engage. So pay close attention to this most active time section. It will tell you the best times to post for maximum reach. You can also think about factors like if 3 p.m. is your best time to post, posting just prior or just after helps you get into the flow of the algorithm. On to audience demographics. Instagram will tell you a lot of really great information about your audience, like who they are, where they're from, what gender they are, or what that split looks like, what age they are, and what that split looks like, and a lot of really granular information that's going to help you create content that works for your audience. Instagram tells you the age, gender, location, and more about your followers. This is super valuable because it helps you understand who you're talking to. Are they mostly men or women? Are they in a specific age range? Are they local to you, or are they spread out across the world? Knowing this information helps you create content that resonates with them. For example, if you're targeting young adults, you will likely use different language and visuals than if you're targeting a more mature audience. Your grandma might not actually care about things like Riz, and that's okay. That's totally fair. When it comes to demographics, you want this to align with what your client's ideal client is. What are they interested in? What do they care about on social? It's time to dial into the details and carve this out in order to create content that's going to resonate most. That's it for part 1. Like, share, and let us know what else you'd like to see. And stay tuned for part 2.